In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate the project schedule column on Monday.com. We'll set up a date column on a board and then use Monday.com's built-in automations to send timely notifications based on that date. This is perfect for project schedules, stock checks, or any deadline you don't want to miss. First, head to your Monday.com homepage and open an existing board or project where you want to add the schedule. I'm using a sample board for this walkthrough, but you can choose any board with items you want to track. Once the board opens, move to the far right of your columns. Click the plus button that appears beside the rightmost column to add a new one. From the list of column types, select Date. Date columns are key for scheduling because they integrate directly with Monday.com's reminders and automations. After the column appears, click the calendar icon in one of the cells under that new date column. Choose a date that represents the scheduled deadline or event for that item. This initial date helps us confirm the column is set up correctly and will serve as the reference for the automation. Now let's build the automation that makes this powerful. At the top of the board, click Automate to open the Automation Center. In the search bar, type Date to quickly find relevant pre-made recipes. Monday.com provides a variety of templates, including options that trigger on the date itself or a set number of days before or after a date. Choose a pre-made template that fits a schedule reminder, such as a notification when a date arrives, or a reminder a certain number of days before that date. When the recipe opens for editing, click on the When field to set the trigger timing. Pick a specific time of day if the recipe offers that option, so your reminder lands when it's most useful for your team. You can also fine-tune the offset here, choosing how many days before or after the date the automation should run. This is great for building lead time into your schedule, like sending a reminder 2 days before a stock check or a project milestone. Next, choose which date column the automation should use. If your schedule column is named something like stock check date, select that as the reference. This ensures the automation keys off the exact column you just added, not another date on the board. Now configure what happens when the trigger fires. Select the notify action to send an update or alert, then choose who should receive it. You can target a specific person, the item owner, or any teammate responsible for that task. For this example, you might choose yourself so you can confirm everything works as expected once it runs. With the timing, date column, and notification recipient set, click Create Automation to save it. Monday.com will add the recipe to your board's automation list. You'll see a toggle that lets you turn the automation on or off at any time. Keep it on to activate it immediately, or flip it off temporarily if you're adjusting schedules or testing changes. A couple of quick tips to make this smooth. Be consistent with your date column across items so the automation has a valid date to reference. If your team spans multiple time zones, confirm your board or account time zone settings match how you plan your reminders, and use clear, concise notification text inside the recipe so recipients know exactly what the reminder is about and what action to take when it arrives. That's it. You've added a date column, selected a practical pre-made recipe, set the timing, pointed it to the right date field, chosen who gets notified, and saved the automation. Your project schedule can now run on autopilot, keeping everyone on track without manual follow-ups.